We are at Swan Hill at the Entegra factory. We have another factory up in Gympie. This factory's been here since 2016. We're growing at a very rapid rate. Recently implemented the first of some automation projects which we have planned for this year, which includes a robotic welding station. We're looking at a lot of the Industry 4.0 initiatives, including a lot of data capture with the new range of welders we're installing currently as well. The whole name of the game really is about certification. We see as a company that quality's megally important. Look, a lot of our work, we have children under it, so it's important that our steel work is 100%. We have management systems, ISO 9001, and we are looking in the near future to get other certifications. ISO 9001 is an internationally recognised standard for management systems or managing quality. It really does assure that we're continuously improving and that the client can expect certain processes and systems to work within the organisation. So we're delivering on what we say we are going to deliver. The big thing for us really is giving ourselves the footprint or foundations for other compliance that we will and we're currently working on, whether they be structural compliance certifications, environmental or safety even. So really good foundation. We've only just recently got our certification, but had many systems in place for a long time.